So 1 week ago, I saw that Isaac Butterfield uploaded a video as titled "All Vegans Are Idiots." So I had to watch it. For people who do not know Isaac, this is straight from Wikitubia. Isaac Butterfield, born July 14, 1993, so age 31, also known as the Butts Barn. It's an Australian YouTuber and comedian who makes rants about people or popular events in the news. He despises vegans and cyclists. He's the son of a former Newcastle Knights player Tony Butterfield, and he had a rare form of epilepsy due to his former obesity. So, a warm welcome everybody. I'm Christian from Vegan Vision. Let's dive straight into this video. So I watched the whole thing, 18 minutes long. When I was done, I actually didn't know where to respond first. Let me start with the most important thing of all. There were so many claims that he was making, not backed up with studies. If there's one thing you never must do, is hearing someone from a popular figure and blindly believing them. Because there is so much content, let's try to put it organized. I'm going to make a series of videos debunking the claims that he's making. I'm going to respond to one claim per video. And the first argument he is making is "we are at the top of the food chain" argument. This argument is misleading. In nature, a lion eats a gazelle out of necessity. So he is at the top of his food chain, so to speak. However, the meat industry is a man-made system that is far removed from nature. There is no balance at all. Moreover, eating meat is no longer a necessity for humans who can go to the supermarket, as we have the ability to make moral choices whilst a lion can't. If you had the intelligence to read scientific studies, the only conclusion would be that this argument is moot. To back this up, here is a study from the World Health Organization, WHO, that has concluded that consuming processed meat is carcinogenic to humans and that red meat is likely carcinogenic. These findings are based on an evaluation of over 800 studies linking meat consumption to an increased risk of certain cancers, such as colorectal cancer. So, to conclude, please just follow the science instead of what popular people say. So this was the end, debunking the top of the food chain argument. If you liked the content, please subscribe and hope to see you in my next video of Isaac Butterfield debunking style.